BIBO and the missing toy. BIBO's friend, Paulo, has a favorite toy. It's a little wind-up mouse that shoots across the floor whenever you let go. But it seems that today, Paulo has lost his toy mouse. "I'll help you find it," says BIBO. They look inside the refrigerator beside the cheese. Mice like cheese, so I heard. They check over the grandfather clock. The mouse ran up the clock in the famous rhyme, right? They check inside the cookie tin. Do mice get hungry, they wonder? Then, BIBO sees a little hole in the wall. He peers into the hole. Your toy mouse! They finally find Paulo's toy inside the mouse house with real mice. "It's a mouse party," BIBO giggles.